subtraction now. How to subtract number bases. How to subtract number bases. So the first thing you need to know when you're talking about subtraction is to know how to tell in number base which number is bigger than which. Take for example a number like 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, and a number like 1, 1, 1. So you might be wondering which one is bigger. So in number bases, the number of digits matters a lot. This one has 4 digits. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits here. But this number has just 3 digits. This number here that has 4 digits is bigger than this number. The number of digits matters a lot. That's the first thing you need to know. This number here is bigger than this. What happens if the number of digits are equal? Something like this: 101 and 111. So you're wondering which one is bigger. So which one is bigger? They both have the same number of digits, 3 digits. Okay, but which one is bigger? Check the position of the digits. The first one is 1 here. This one too is 1. That's equal. Check the next position. This one is 0 in the second position, but this one is 1 in the second position. 1 is bigger than 0. Okay, so that means this number is bigger than this number. So keep that in mind. Now let's take an example for subtraction. Let's try base 3. This is base 3 here. The numbers in base 3 are 0, 1, 2. Don't forget. So if you try the subtraction for base 3, let's pick a number. Let's say 2, 1, 2, 1. Minus, then let's pick another number. Let's say 2, 0, 2. So this is, both numbers are in base 3. Okay, both numbers are in base 3. This is base 3. So what would the answer be? The first thing to take note of in number base is that whatever you borrow, do your subtraction normally, subtract normally, subtract normally. If it's possible, write the answer like that. If the subtraction is possible, write the answer. But if it's not possible, you have to borrow. Okay, but whatever you borrow in number base, whatever you borrow will always be equal to the base. If you borrow 1, that 1, when you bring it to the next number, is going to be equal to the base. It's going to be equal to 3. Look at this example. 1 minus 2 is not possible, right? So you come to this 2 that is here, you borrow 1 from it. So you remove 1 from this 2. This 2 will now become 1. This 2 will become 1. But that 1 that you borrowed, by the time you bring it to this place here, it will be 3. To turn to 3 because you are in base 3. You understand? You are in base 3. Then add that 3 to this 1. That will give you 4. Okay, so let me take it again. So I borrow 1 minus 2 is not possible. So I'll borrow 1 from this 2. This 2 will now become 1. But that 1 that I borrowed is 3. By the time I bring it here, that will give me 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 4 minus 2. And that's possible. That will now give me 2. The next part, 1 minus 0. That's possible. Just write the answer. The 1 minus 0 is 1. This next part, 1 minus 2 is not possible, right? So you come to this next guy here, this one here, this 2 here, borrow 1 from it. So then you borrow 1 from this 2 and you bring it here, that will be equal to 3. 3 plus 1, that will give you 4. Then 4 minus 2, that will give you 2 normally. Then this one that is here, just bring it down here. So the final answer will be 1, 2, 1, 2, base 3. I hope you understand. Let's take on that one. Let's say 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, 4, 2. Okay, let's try something like this. This is base 5. Okay, you can see all the numbers are less than 5. So this is base 5. So the base is 5. So we can put 5 here. So let's try this subtraction. So let's try it. Let's see. So 1 minus 2, that's not possible. So you come to this 2 that is here, this 2 here, this 2, you borrow 1 from it. This 2 will now turn to 1. But that 1 that you borrowed, by the time you bring it here, it's going to be 5 because you're in base 5. Okay, so 5 plus 1, that will give you 6. 6 minus 2, that's possible. 6 minus 2 is possible. So you just write 4 here. The next part is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is not possible. So you come to this 2 that is here, this 2. So you borrow 1 from it. This 2 will not turn to 1. But that one that you borrowed is 5. Don't forget this one is originally 1. By the time you bring that 5 here, everything is going to be 6. Okay, so you have 6 minus 4. So that one will give you 2. That one will give you 2. 1 minus 1, that's 0. 1 minus 2 is not possible. So come to this 3 and borrow 1 from it. But that one that you borrowed is 5 by the time you bring it to this guy. So borrow 1 from this 3. This 3 now becomes 2. Then that one that you borrowed, bring it here. That will give you 6. That is 5 plus 1, that's 6. Then 6 minus 2 will give you 4. 2 minus 2 will give you 0. So you can ignore, you can write 0 here or just ignore it. So the answer will be 4024 base 5. 4024 base 5. So let's take one more, but this time we'll be talking about. So let's take one more. So let's take one more subtraction, but this time it's going to be in base 2. So let's take something like 1 0 1 1 1 0 minus let's say 1 0 1 1. So let's subtract this, but this is going to be in base 2. Okay. So 0 minus 1, this is base 2, don't forget we're in base 2. So 0 minus 1, that's not possible. So you borrow 1 from this 1 here. So this 1 becomes 0. But that one that you borrowed is 2 by the time you bring it here. So 2 minus 1 will give you 1. Then you have 0 minus 1, that's not possible also. So you come and borrow 1 from this 1 here. So this 1 becomes 0. But that one that you borrowed, by the time you bring it here, it's going to be 2. So you have 2 minus 1, that will also give you 1. 0 minus 0, that will give you 0. 1 minus 1, that will give you 0. Then this is, just bring these ones down here. So the answer will be 1 0 0 0 1 1 base 2. Okay, I hope you understand.